good for this situation and it is not boring. We can record learning and we
Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Before starting this debate, first of all, I would like to introduce. My name is Landung Waya Prasetya. I am moderator, and the first team is affirmative team, and the second team is negative or opposition team. And we will debate about online class is boring. Please listen to us carefully, seriously, and let me begin. I will give chance for the affirmative team to speak their opinion.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Thank you for the opportunity. Next, I would like to give our motion today. Our motion today is online school boring? From the motion, we will give our team line that we as the affirmative team absolutely agree that online class is boring. Then our parameter today is that we just talk about online class in Indonesia. Well, continue to our team split. I'm Erizal as the first speaker. Will deliver my argument. Next, Denny as the second speaker will deliver his argument. Last but not least, Landung as the third speaker will deliver more proof and brief summary of our argument. Next, I would like to give my argument from an individual perspective. We have some point. First of all, the main factor is environment. When you're at home, your mind isn't on studying, reading, or working, but your mind is on playing video games, gossip with your friend, going on the internet, watching movie, and if you are studying, it's hard to make it fun and interesting. Watching your favorite Netflix show while studying or whatever. But having to sit at home, listening to teacher turning in your home, that just doesn't match. They are just too much distraction. You just want the class to end so you can do whatever you do at home, convert into in the school where you really don't have many option. And its online class is actually very burdensome, both on the eyes as well as on the brain. In face-to-face conversation, you can at least see the body gesture of the opposite person. You can also see the environment around it. But in online class, your brain has to work two times harder just at making itself adapt and concentrating on the what the person is blabbering about. Sitting at one place for hours can make fatigue and tiredness like nothing can. That factor itself is making online class boring at some point. We can see that this environment factor is a big thing to why the online classes is boring. Thank you. That's it for my argument. It will be continued by second speaker later.
Okay, that's the argument affirmative team. So I will give chance for the opposition team to speak their opinion.
thank you for giving me a chance to speak my opinion. In opposition team, there are Zindita Arum Anggianti as first speaker, so Rani Fauzia as second speaker, and Desita Astri Yulistina as last speaker. Now, I want to tell you about my opinion. In my opinion, online class is not boring. We can see that the situation and spread of COVID-19 is not possible for us to interact with many people. Of course, we should take care about our health, and we know that health is expensive. And COVID-19 is not a common virus and it is very dangerous. Learning by online class is good for this situation and it is not boring. We can record learning and we can replay when we need and then we can learn more. And as adults, you should be able to manage your time and then you know when you play a game and you know when you do your assignment and your task. As medical students, we must be a good example for our friends and take precaution against the spread of COVID-19. The point is our health is more important than your boredom. Thank you. That is about my opinion.
Okay, thank you. So I will give the affirmative team to speak their opinion.
Okay, thank you, moderator, for the opportunity. I'm the second speaker of the affirmative team. I would like to reinforce my partner in agree with this statement. Why online class is boring? The first point is I should be pointed to you is monotonous. Doing the same things every single day without a bit of differences is something bored. Although online class already become a daily schedule, but it has a lot of weird situation. Let's imagine this. When you are only sitting in a chair, giving attention to the lecturers without any direct interaction, it just gives pressure and boredom to the brain. Because why? We cannot deny that we humans are social. We have the ability to interact and talking to people every single time. If we have in-person conversation, we get the atmosphere. We can see the face. We can see the body language, and we give 100% attention to the person who's speaking. We can make joke, maybe telling about something, but in person. It's more interesting than just sitting in a chair. The second point in SAF is same treatment. Even though this is online class, but we are provided the same sort as when offline class too. College still putting a lot of pressure on us. We get a lot of duties with a short deadline. We must prepare and pay all needs by own, like skill lab, like practice. Sometimes we get the network problems like power failure, bad network. Sometimes we get a disturbance from around. So we sometimes feeling a little bit stressed, anxious, or our attention is disturbed. Our brain using more energy to face it. We lose an attention from the lecturers. We feel boring. In the end of the day, our mental health is breaking. We get exhausted pretty fast. We feel lonely, depression. So online class for me is not effective in mental health too. The third point is effectiveness. Online class cannot adapt learning styles to the personality of each student who participates in learning activities. All students will take part in a learning program that has been made the same and only support on one or two learning styles. Some knowledge and skills cannot be done just by reading and watching videos over. We need classroom to discuss, work in groups, practice hands-on hands, make presentation, and ask question with the teacher indirectly. And the point is, we lose a truly learning and competitive atmosphere. So that's my opinion. Thank you, moderator, for this opportunity.
Okay, thank you. And that is a affirmative team. So I will give chance for opposition team to speak their argument.
Okay, here I will strengthen Zin's opinion. One of the positive sides of online lectures is the ease with which students understand learning material. Thanks to digital technology, Students can watch lectures from lecturers, such as online learning. A large presentation screen can be watched from a laptop, computer, or a gadget right in plain sight. This is certainly beneficial compared to when studying in class. Sometimes there are students who sit too far away so that they cannot capture and see the course material clearly. With online lectures, students can understand the material more clearly and can ask questions. This is different from offline lectures. Class performance sometimes makes it difficult for students to capture the material being taught. And this is currently a pandemic, so it is advisable to learn online and avoid crowds to follow health protocols. Online lectures can save you time. Why is that? With online lectures, no time is wasted on going to campus back home. The time available can be used for resting, exercising, or repeating teaching materials and doing assignment with a clearly mind. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Uh, I will give chance for the affirmative team to speak their opinion. I will give my opinion on online learning is boring. I agree online learning is boring because a lot of reading and watching videos. This can also make students not understanding what is taught by the lecture because they don't understand the material, and if only by video and reading without knowing the material. It is the same as not being able to master the material being taught, and there is the possibility of being constrained by an unstable internet network that makes students we cannot keep up with it during lectures. We can think of network constraint. For example, there is a sudden power cut and also when the weather is bad. Maybe that's enough for me. Thank you. And so I will give chance for the opposition team to speak their opinion.
Okay, I agree that online class have many negative impacts. Boring limit us in socializing, but on the other hand, we must understand the condition that is happening, the corona outbreaks. With holding offline class, it will make the spread of coronavirus wider, because there will be complaints from various regions that we cannot know whether the area is red zone coronavirus or safety. Besides that, we also have to pay attention to doctors who teach us who are elderly and very susceptible to exposure to virus. Okay, if we have enact health protocols, but can we guarantee that several hundred people care about the health protocol? In addition, classrooms with air conditioning support the spread of the coronavirus, and also many labs in our faculty that have to be closed, such as microbiology. And for the networks, maybe for the networks, the government has provided a free quota, so students don't have to bother thinking about it. But indeed, students have to put more effort. They should always keep their laptop or cell phone battery fully charged and find a place where the internet is stable and maybe other difficult conditions. But all the decisions have their plus and minus, and we must be able to determine the priority that should be chosen. So even though online school is boring, monotone, and very difficult for students, especially medical students, I still agree with online school in this condition now, because we still have to pay attention and care about doctors and people around us. Thank you.
Okay, it's the last for opinion, so I will conclude on the opinions. The first one is online school have positive and negative effect for the student, and the positive effect for student, there is we don't have to spending a lot of money for life. Two, we don't have to prepare the class earlier, and the negative effect from the student is medical student should be learned in real lab for real feeling. And two, the biggest problem for a student is about the signal quality in their town. Okay, I think time is out. I apologize if there is a mistake. Thank you for your attention and for your participation. Finally, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.